Gates open, they're off and racing. Nose west, almost left unseated the rider, but it's okay now. As expected, Showtime Lady fast to begin, being hounded by Tukmo, by Darrell. We have Mercurian, then comes Fabiola, moving up down on the inside with entry number 2, and that is Marcus Emparas. They round the 3/4 mile distance, doing 19.5 for the opening quarter. Now we have Mercurian by about a length and a half, and in second is a Showtime Lady, Red Hot Water. Now moving up to take third, a length back in fourth, we have Mercurian, or that's Tukmo, then followed over by Marcos Empire. Fabiola now in fifth, moving up Boyo, then comes Nose West. Next in line, we have entry number 7, that's South Pearl, doing 25. Third last, we have Lavero Pola. Inside the last 600, Showtime Lady goes right for the lead, just in time by about a length and a half. And in second now is the Red Hot Water. Nose West now trying to get closer in third. Fabiola now in fourth by Darrell, then comes Tukmo. Mercurian fading up Boyo, and Marcos and Fire posting 25 on the third quarter. 3 and 50 to travel, and it's still Showtime Lady with 59 on her back, and moving up and giving a challenge, Red Hot Water. Showtime Lady followed by Red Hot Water and Fabiola by Darrell, and in the finish line, it's Showtime Lady. Second, Red Hot Water, Fabiola, Nose West, and Magic Tender.
Eto, yan, sa winner take all, eksakto yung figures na yan.
1,022,648